Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share 7 simple daily habits that can help you improve your English fluently. These tips are easy to follow and are perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First point, read every day. Reading helps you learn new sentences, words, patterns and correct grammar. Read for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. Next point, learn new words. Learn 5 new words every day. Write their meanings and use them in your own sentences. This helps you remember them. Third point, speak every day. Speak English every day. Even if you are alone, the more you speak, the more confident and fluent you become. Fourth point, listen carefully. Listen to English podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos. This improves your listening skills, pronunciation, and understanding. Fifth point, practice writing. Write a few sentences or a short paragraph every day. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improve your grammar. Sixth point, don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes while learning. Don't be afraid. Learn from your mistakes and keep practicing. Seventh point, be consistent. Practice a little every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching.